Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from Whop. So the very first thing that you need to do is just to log in your Whop account. So from here, you just have to go to this link right here and then just log in with your credentials. So from here, you can sign up. You can also log in. So if you haven't already made an account in Whop, then you have to tap on sign in and then just follow the prompt to do so. And then after that, just go to the seller dashboard. So this is how it looks like inside the Whop. So this is where you can see the dashboard. So you just have to click your profile icon at the top right, which is here, and then select dashboard or seller dashboard. So after that, connect a payout method. So if not already connected, you can do this. So if you haven't added a payout, um, go to settings and then tap on payouts. Then you just have to choose a payment processor like Stripe, which is the Whop primarily uses. And then after that, just follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account. Then after that, just view your earnings. So this is where you can see your balance. So in the dashboard, you just have to click on payouts or balance, which is here in your account, or yeah, then just click on this one and then you will see your available earnings and payout history. So from here, this is your available balance that you can pay out, and then after that, just withdraw the funds. So from this page, you can see a withdraw button from here. So you just have to click on this one and then just follow the prompts to withdraw your money from your Whop. And that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!